All right, guys, what's going on? Martin here. Just wanted to show you real quick what issue I was having this morning when I was trying to start my truck. And I was running fine yesterday. Uh, Parked it last night, and I wanted to start it this morning, and it was just cranking, no start, right? Do 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 do. That's it. Would do nothing more. It seemed like it was electric. Um, First thing you got to do is when that happens, make sure you open the switch and you hear the fuel pump. Make sure it's running. And so I started doing some research real quick what it was, and I realized a lot of people had issues or was having an issue with this fuse right here. It goes on this location, and it's 27. All right, if you do some research, there's even people installing fuse relocation kits, where you remove the fuse box, and cut the wire that goes under here, put the new splicer or whatever. But this is what I noticed. I was gonna make this video, right, to show you what the problem was. And well, here's the fuse. Took it out already. It's very small, so you see some pliers like this with a pointy tip. It's very helpful because I was trying to use the regular puller that they come like on these fuses. Oh, and those, by the way, I went to the auto parts store thinking it was the fuses that I need because this is mini. I didn't pay attention, but these are mini, right? So I was gonna make the video, and I was gonna, and first thing what I did is to make sure that was a problem. I got a 20 fuse right here, another 20 amp fuse, and I just put it here and started it. But not having this fuse started giving me, it wouldn't stay on for long. It just like die right away. Oh, anyways, but it started. Okay, so I knew it was what this one. So I went to the other parts store, got those, and okay, let me make the video. Help people out whenever they have this issue, and well, I put this fuse back in there to show that it wasn't gonna start, and it started. So I'm assuming is this thing just overheats or whatever, and whatever smoke builds here or whatever. Not whatever, but this part that burns doesn't let it make contact. And I put it back in there, right, just to show you. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna put it the other way. This is the same thing because I thought it was burned, that it wasn't gonna start, and I went, okay, let's try it. And it wasn't gonna crank or anything, but it did. It did crank. I mean, it did start it. It did start. Look, see, and I thought that fuse was burned, but I guess it's if it overheats or something, the whatever part that burns, the very superficial layer that burns on it, it doesn't allow to make contact. So if this ever happened to you, oh man, my phone cracked. Anyways, sorry, I got distracted because it's my fingerprint thing that cracked. Anyways, if this ever happened to you, you're out there, you parked at a store or something. Sorry, it's a little hot. Freaking, it's almost mid-December, and it's 90. Crazy. Weather change, guys. Weather change. I mean, climate change. Anyways, going back to the topic. If this ever happens to you, pull it out. You don't have nothing to move around, like whatever. Pull it out, clean it up a little bit, use a screw, something pointy, and scratch that off and everything. And hopefully it's not burned. It's not burned to a point that it split. Put it back in there and see if it starts. Maybe you have luck the way I did. Luckily this happened at home, so I have my other vehicle to go and get the fuse. But if you ever happen to get stuck somewhere where there's no vehicle, whatever, take it out, clean it up, put it back in there, and it might start. like this one. You saw I just put it back in there and it started, you know. I have a check engine light on. Somebody was saying about the check engine light on. Let me see what the check engine light on says. Where's my stool? My tool. God damn. All right. Let's see what it says. Somebody was saying after replacing that they got a check engine. Oh, here it is. It's upside down. Come on, man. Do I really need to get down there and look? Okay. I cannot. There you go. Okay. Let's turn it off. Leave the switch open. Link error. Yes. No. Enter. Let's try again. Okay, enter. Mass airflow. Circuit high input. I don't know what that really, because this one didn't have the check engine light on before this happened. So let's clear it out, because I disconnected, like I said, another fuse to test it. I swap them, and maybe that's what caused it. So we're gonna erase this code. Yes. Also, guys, if you don't have one of this, you need to have one. This one was very cheap, like it was like $100, and I bought it like long time ago. Now you might have them. Okay, codes remaining 0. Back. All right. Let's check it out again. Okay. Start it back on. No light, obviously, because I turned it off. But like I said, maybe that happened because when I swapped the other one, I didn't put the fuse on the other spot. So since I removed this one, honestly, I don't have my codes right now. I don't have my diagrams to see. I think this one is 76. I don't know what that is. It says check owner's manual, but hey, manual's not around. Okay, my bad. But okay, I put this one back in there and it worked. Like I said, I guess there's an issue with these. A lot of people are like cutting the wire underneath it. Remove this, like I said, cut it, put a new fuse, I guess, with more has a little bit more resistance to it, and so it won't cause for it to burn. But hey, mine works, and if it's working, I'm just gonna go get me a few of these. I don't know if they sell them at the auto parts store, because they were saying they got the kit somewhere else at like a dealer or order online, and I need to go return these because these aren't it. These aren't mean enough for this. But oh, the idle went very low. But honestly, I have never even noticed if that's how it runs. Anyways, guys, I hope this helped you out. Like I said, I think it's good info if you're ever out there and happen to be stuck because this happened to you, and you just, oh man, I need to go get that fuse right away. Take it out and clean it up, and hopefully that'll work. I'm gonna drive it. You know what? I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna take my chance and just drive this one to go get that fuse. Hopefully I won't get stuck in there. Just to see if it's gonna run for a while or not. Just to see if it's gonna run for a while. And I need to return the other ones. Alright, guys. It's been on 50 miles of gas. My mom was like, it's the gas. You should put more gas in it. And I was like, Mom, I got 50 miles, man. I can get very far with that. One time it didn't start on me because I had like 10 miles left in it. And I park on an incline, and yep, guess what? When I tried to start it, it didn't. It wouldn't. Gas wasn't reaching the pump no more. But anyways, all right, guys. Just wanted to let you know. I hope it works for you guys, at least until you get to auto parts store, get like a new part. And if you want to get the kit and replace it, to me it's working. It might get overheat here and there, so I'm just gonna have a few here. And I know it's not that easy, not hard to do the thing, but if it's working right now, I'm gonna leave it like that, you know. Unless you want to be extra preventive and just cut the wire underneath and put the new fuse in there. It's up to you. But me, that's how I go. Hey, check it out. Before I leave. It's my baby. Well, my dog too. My two baby. Still working on that one. All right, guys. Anyways, I get drifted away. I drift off with a freaking conversation, but anyways, peace, guys. Have a good one.